Okay, shut them off for a second.
About what?
I must not have had the amps turned up all the way. Or high enough. Holy cow.
Oh my god, I did not expect that to actually work.
Told you, it never hurts to try.
Oh my god. I noticed you can kind of hear his movement sounds though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not talking about like the motors, guys, but like the sounds from the tape that you usually aren't supposed to hear.
So this piece goes in.
Oh my god.
How did he go back in now? So I want to get this piece back in. Was he attached to this? I don't even remember where he was attached. Like this? No?
So I'm not sure if
Now I can remember how he goes back together.
if we like fixed something or we didn't have the.
Oh, I know we did fix a bunch of stuff, but
But like I'm not sure if the machine wasn't turned on all the way or like if something's wrong with the little machine. Because this whole entire time we've been using the machine and it hasn't been working. But the one time we put the batteries back in and try it with the batteries, it actually works.
I gotta figure out how this goes back together now. I don't remember.
Uh-oh. Well, I think this board actually screws onto here.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I just don't remember. Okay. So we know that when we unplug this and this, so that goes that way. Which way? I'm assuming it goes in like that.
We know we got the sound working.
Yep.
None of his movements were working though.
Yeah, that part. That's a whole different part. How much time are we on?
Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. 49%.
Oh, so it started a new one.
Yep, it started a new one. Here, let me see how much.
How much space you got left?
52.
Oh, so it's only going to go a little bit for this next video. All right, so does it go on this way?
I'm still puzzled on how that worked.
It worked just because it worked.
That makes me think that that little voltage thing is broken.
No, I probably just didn't turn up the current enough.
The
Would be-
current?
Yeah, so you have to have voltage and amperage. I must not have had it up enough. Okay, so that must be how that goes. So these ones, let's see what screws go in here. I'm guessing the smaller ones. There's a bunch of them.
My elbows are grooving. Okay, now Grubby looks happy.
Good.
He looks shocked.
You look shocked?
Yeah. Well. Hey, that's better. His eyes were like halfway closed. They're not now. Now
Okay,
now he
so-
really looks shocked. He's like,
Mhm.
oh, it's about to turn off.
It's about to turn off.
Yep, we gotta end it. I think it was blinking for a second. We got
Yep. We'll see you next time
Mhm.
after we upload this video.
Mhm.
We'll try to work on the mechanisms.
Mhm.
Bye.
Bye.